Hello, I'm Eddie from Borg Overström, and today I'm pleased to introduce to you the T2 and T3 MonoFit products. So you might ask, what is a MonoFit? The MonoFit keeps the exact same functionality of a T2 or T3 product, but makes it easier to install than a regular drinking water tap. So what's the difference between a MonoFit and a normal T2 or T3 product? Firstly, the product is raised slightly higher at a 16.5mm profile, and this is to take the drip tray's drainage through the font on top of the work surface. Secondly, and most importantly, the product only has one 60mm hole at the rear of the product. This allows for the power and the water to come to the product, and also allows for wastewater from the drip tray to exit the product. This means that there is 90% less cutting than a standard T2 or T3 product, making it the ideal solution for you if you don't want to make a large cutout to your work surface. The MonoFit's base is very well made and incredibly solid. This is because the whole base is milled from one block of stainless steel. Lastly, 3 reasons why you would choose MonoFit. Number 1, you have a granite or marble or other high value work surface that you don't want to make a large rectangular cutout into. This makes the MonoFit perfect for you. Secondly, you would like to replace an existing product that has already got a hole in your work surface. Because the MonoFit only needs a 60mm hole, this will mean that in most cases, there is no additional cutting required. Thirdly, if you're in a rented office space and the landlord does not want a bigger rectangular cutout made in the work surface, this is where we would also recommend you using the MonoFit product. So if you'd like to learn more about MonoFit or book a virtual showroom visit, please head over to our website where we'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.